If you enjoy performing your own auto maintenance and repairs, you need to make sure you have the right equipment and the right tools. You also want to set up your garage space so you can work easily, and having a jack stand is something you'll absolutely need. A jack stand suspends your vehicle so you can work on it from different angles and in different positions, lifting it off the ground. With that being said, stay tuned as we bring you our top 5 best car safety jack stands available in the market. Why they need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we'll relay all of these items for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the products mentioned in our videos, you can check the link in the description below. And now let's start. Starting at number 5 is the Amazon Basic Steel Jack Auto Stands. The Amazon Basic Steel Jack Auto Stands is a pair of 3-ton car jacks that stand at a capacity of 6,000 pounds when used together. Selling with a 1-year warranty, this product guarantees good value for the money. It comes with a durable steel frame that has a rust-proof coating, ensuring that the luster is preserved for a rather long time. Furthermore, its precise height adjustment feature ensures that the stand can be raised or lowered, adjusting to the necessary height needed at any point in time. Along with a self-locking ratchet feature, this makes for significant ease of use. The Amazon Basic Steel Jack Auto Stands also meets the ASME PAYS 2014 safety standard for portable automotive service equipment with the self-locking ratchet feature, which makes a locking key unnecessary. Some of the key features are 3-ton jack stands, pair of 3-ton jack stands with 6,000 pound capacity total. No need locking key, self-locking ratchet means no locking key is necessary, meets ASME PAYS 2014 safety standard for portable automotive service equipment. Ease of use, stand can be raised or lowered to the height needed, self-locking ratchet for ease of use. Durable steel frame with rust-proof coating, easy to read weight capacity. At number 4 is the Cartman 3-ton jack stands. These are very solid stands that provide all the build quality and security you would expect from a company like Cartman. Built of high-quality steel, they are heavier than equivalent aluminum models, but they are a little lighter than you would expect for a pair of stands rated for 3 tons max weight, which means they are easy enough to move around. The built-in quick adjustment mechanism is the real standout feature here, however. As the name suggests, it allows for quick adjustments whilst the stands are in use. So if you jack the car a little high, you can easily drop it an inch or two to help with draining, for example. This makes them easier to use than some other models that have to be unloaded completely to be adjusted. Some of the key features are: low price, 2 heavy-duty steel jack stands at 1 low price. ANSI approved, meets American National Standards Institute requirements. 1-piece ratchet, 1-piece multi-position ductile ratchet bar. Quick adjustment mechanism helps to do the job faster. So what do you think of our first 2 choices? Well, we have more to come, but before we proceed, would like to take the opportunity to ask you to join our growing community. Kindly subscribe to our channel and then click the bell icon to be notified of our upcoming videos. And now let's continue. At number 3 is the Camco Olympian aluminum stack jacks. From the innovative design of the built-in model above, we come now to perhaps the very polar opposite in jack stand technology. This product from Camco is wonderfully straightforward and easy to use. With all aluminum construction, you get a set of stands that are both incredibly light and have very impressive total lift weights, 6,000 pounds total, which is very impressive for jacks of this size. When constructed of aluminum, you will often see the price rise for these products. However, that is not the case here. By utilizing a relatively simple design, the price is kept low despite the premium material used in construction. You are getting a high-quality stand for a very reasonable price here. Some of the key features are: RV positioning, get secure and level recreational vehicle positioning and stability. Durable, each jack supports up to 6,000 pounds. Cast aluminum, it is made from cast aluminum. Adjustable height, these jack stands to extend up to 17 inches and are easy to use. We always look forward to seeing what you think, so don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. And now let's check out our last 2 products. At number 2 is the All-Trade Powerbuilt 640,912 jack stand. Another option is to go with a built-in jack and jack stand, such as we have here in this product. This could be particularly interesting if you don't currently have a jack, and so would save you paying out for 2 separate products. It is worth noting that as it essentially combines 2 tools, it is a pretty bulky product, weighing in at almost 22 pounds, and with no built-in wheels, it can be a pain to move around. As a bottle jack, It is taller than other, vertical models, so it may also be difficult to get it underneath smaller cars. All in though, this pretty rugged tool does a decent job of combining two functions into one. Some of the key features are: modern design. Patented design combines a jack stand and bottle jack in one unit. Safety bar. Safety bar locks unit at desired height and jack is for trucks and off-road type vehicles. Strong safety. Strong safety bar keeps the jack from lowering once it has been raised to maximum height. Highly durable. Wide steel base for stability under load. The height range is 11 inches to 21 inches, but its default lift range is 11 to 17.25 inches. It can be raised to 21 inches if adjusted manually. And now Torin Big Red Steel is our top recommended jack stands. We love products that happily shout out what they're all about, which is why we've started with these bad boys. They're big, they're red, and they're made of steel, so that is all the boxes ticked. Joking aside, these are really solid stands, made of high-grade forged steel. This makes them a bit heavier than some other models but also gives them a very reassuring heft. They have a lovely, oversized saddle area too that makes it easy to plant your vehicle's jacking points into the saddle for safe contact. Price-wise, they are about the middle of the pack and come with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. This is a very good set of tools for a very reasonable price. Some of the key features are: lightweight. Lightweight jack stands are used to support your vehicle after lifting with a jack. Wide pyramid foot base provides added strength and stable support. Durable. Constructed of high-grade forged steel with a welded frame design for durability. Height adjustments. Multi-position ratchet bar has a sawtooth design, allowing for quick height adjustments that lock into place. ASME standard, tested for reliability and safety to meet the American Society of Mechanical Engineers standards. And there you have it, the top 5 best car safety jack stands out there. Whichever one you choose to get based on your needs and preferences. We hope you found our list helpful. If you can't something you like, just check out the link in the description box to catch that item at its best offer. Also, let us know if there's a product you have in mind that you'd like to see in an upcoming video. Write your comments and suggestions and our research team will get to work to give you a fair and square product review. Stay up to date with our latest videos by tapping a bell icon, and to become part of the growing online community, subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you get the chance to watch even more videos.